Welcome to another episode of Weekly Interesting Tech. I must say, today's episode has one of the most interesting product that makes me so excited and amazed with. I've kept it to the last, so you must see it for yourself. I mean, it's really damn cool and useful. So let us not waste any more time and dive into this week's episode. Have you ever tried Type Racer? A racing game where you race by typing as fast as possible? TypeLor is another typing game that features a colorful gradient UI design. It is a simple web app that you can play with friends or other people to gain reputation points. It is extremely bare bones as of now, but for those of you out there who want to show off all those words per minute, this is another place for you to do so. There are times when friends, family, and fellow acquaintances might need to borrow some cash for whatever reason. Sometimes it can be hard to get back the money from them. Tracking and constantly reminding them personally can become a chore for yourself and for them. Outsource this work to Bounty Hunt, where they will basically send a friendly reminder and track all the loans that you have been giving out. People can easily pay you as well online through PayPal and whatnot. Pretty neat. There are heavy juggernaut users of their phones, there are mobile phone gamers, there are many kinds of users considering how powerful and useful phones are nowadays. Take a step back, and if you would like just a simple phone for you to call and message, do consider the Lite phone too. It looks slick and just so interesting with its bare bone minimalistic hardware and software. There are even more features that the creators are currently looking into, but man, does it look one hell of a unique and amazing phone. My goodness, this is damn cool. SolSource allows you to cook under the sun, borrowing the sun's light energy and transforming that into heat. This cooker looks futuristic and extremely cool. I mean, especially in a country like mine, Singapore, such a cooker will work almost all year round and it'll work so effectively with the hot blazing sun. The video shows it working so effectively, and from the specifications, the temperature it reaches is more than enough for you to do any kind of cooking. The only few downsides I see is that you can't really control the heat or the fire, and you're very dependent on the weather, but damn, this is really cool and definitely very useful. I must say that the cooker is something that I would definitely buy should anyone in Singapore bring it in. I mean, it's just so amazing. How can anyone cook up such an idea? If you're one of them and have an idea or product to share, do leave it in the comments section below. Otherwise, do like this video and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys again next week.